How to delete all unknown messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on Filters. And then, go to Unknown Senders. This feature sorts messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list. You can now view all the unknown senders messages over here. Press and hold the message you want to delete and tap on Delete from the options. Tap on Delete again to confirm. If you want to delete all instead, then tap on the three dots at the top. Tap on Select Messages. After that, go to the top left corner and tap on Select All. And then, tap on Delete at the bottom. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted all the messages. Following these steps, you can easily delete all unknown messages on iPhone.